Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 180 divided by 15 multiply in the parenthesis 9 minus 7. Okay, so now let's solve this problem. But before I show you the answer, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video and comment your step by step answer. I am personally giving every comment a score out of 10. Okay, so let's see who gets a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay, so please stop this video right now and first comment your answer and then play this video to check your answer. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question we have one parenthesis, one multiplication and one second parenthesis. So first priority is parenthesis. Okay, so here we have two parentheses, so we have to solve it from left to right because both have equal priority. So first we have to solve this parenthesis is equal to 180 divided by 15 is equal to 12 multiply 9 minus 7. Okay, so now we have one multiplication and one parenthesis. So first priority is parenthesis, then we have to solve multiplication. Okay, so 12 multiply, now 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So 12 multiplied 2 is equal to 24. Okay, so the correct answer is 24. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.